Welcome back. Continuing the news. The woman arrested in connection with last month's abduction of a baby from the Victoria Jubilee Hospital is to be charged with child stealing. She was pointed out in an identification parade this afternoon, and she's expected to appear in court this week. Now, the woman was questioned by detectives last weekend. The cops said she told them that the baby was given to her by an individual in Spanish Town. The woman was arrested last week when she visited the Registrar General's Department in St. Catherine to register the birth of the stolen baby. The child has since been reunited with his parents.
To the political scene now, the Jamaica Labour Party continues to be on the defensive as concerns mount about the integrity of the Andrew Holness-led administration. JLP Deputy Leader Desmond McKenzie addressed the issue at an Area Council 1 meeting on Sunday.
Not the first time. The opposition People's National Party is accusing the government of being the most corrupt in the country's history. This time, though, the leader of the opposition, Dr. Peter Phillips, took to the airways in a paid political broadcast.
The millions of dollars stolen from UDC at Duns River Falls, the misuse of funds at the Ministry of Local Government, as well as at the Students' Loan Bureau, and so much more.
Hours before that, the Jamaica Labour Party held an area council meeting in the St. Andrew North Western constituency. While listing the accomplishments of his party, this admission from JLP Deputy Leader Desmond McKenzie.
Labour rights, we are going through some rough waters as I speak.
He blasted persons whom he contends continue to attack the credibility of the government.
I am not saying that some of the things that has taken place is the correct thing. We have admitted that mistakes were made. And it is only human that these things will happen. But you have some hypocrite in this country who writes, who pretend as if they are paragons of virtue.
And it's not just the opposition the JLP leader is having an issue with. He told party supporters that some of the persons taking the government to task over corruption allegations have questions about their integrity hanging over their head.
People like them can't talk about integrity, can't talk about corruption, because when they were like us, they helped to contribute to what the country is today.
Mr. McKenzie urged supporters to remain focused and encouraged them to turn out in their numbers come Thursday as a show of support for the administration when the new parliamentary year begins. Councillor for the Mocha Division in Clarendon, Romaine Morris, is this evening seeking to clear the air over a controversial recruitment drive that has landed him in hot water with the Clarendon police. The recruitment drive was done by the councillor by way of a voicemail, and he was warned to stop. TVJ's Dwayne Anderson picks up this report.
Councillor Romaine Morris warned 50 youths to join the police force. If you have 4 or more subjects and is between the ages 18 to 30, come to the Mocha police station.
An excerpt from the voice note that has driven a wedge between the leadership of the Clarendon Police and Councillor for the Mocha Division, Romaine Morris. The audio had been circulating on social media since last week, inviting persons to participate in a recruitment drive to join the police force.
You have a lot of youngsters with a lot of subjects, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 subjects, who from time to time they ask the councillor, they want bushing work and drain cleaning work. To me, it's an insult to them, to me, even to give them bushing work and drain cleaning work, knowing that they're so qualified for so much opportunities out there. And recently, we saw where the Jamaica Constable Force was doing a recruitment the 9th of February, sorry. And we said that, well, we're going to take some advantage of it by sending in some youth from the division.
But the police say the councillor's action was inappropriate. Particular issue was taken with the instructions which asked persons to turn up at the Mocha police station for the recruitment. Furthermore, recruitment drives are managed by trained police personnel. In this letter sent by Councillor Morris, he notes a call he received from the Clarendon Police on Wednesday, February 6, warning of criminal prosecution if the ad was not pulled. When we contacted the head of the Clarendon Police, Senior Superintendent Vendolyn Cameron Powell, she explained that the councillor was warned to desist.
Well, myself and the Jamaica Councillor Force, as our exchange are in dialogue, I send them letters from my office clarifying the situation.
Councillor Morris explained that he would have made arrangements for the participants to be transported to the relevant location. The councillor said in the end, some persons did not turn up because of the controversy and questions surrounding the initiative. He insisted that the intentions were good, but the message was twisted by individuals.
Currently we're recruiting youths now to send them off. We're mentoring them, we're pulling them off the street, to send them off to hard trust, to send them on to classes. Anywhere the opportunities are, we will be sending them out. And this won't stop me. I will continue to rally with the youth to take advantage so that they can live a Jamaican dream.
In the meantime, persons in Clarendon interested in joining the police force are being urged to contact the Maypen Police, which is also the base for recruiting officers in Area 3. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.